Meditation is crafted to deliver fast, instant, and permanent results. The affirmations are highly exaggerated in detail to make the person you desire love you forever. Please use this at your own discretion. Listen to this 3 to 5 times daily for maximum results. Now let's begin. We have the best romantic relationship. We are always so kind and sweet to each other. Our relationship is perfect. They always know how to cheer me up. We always communicate very well about everything. We both understand each other very well. They make it clear how much they love me. They express their love all the time. We are always feeling comfy and safe with each other. We feel so happy to be in each other's presence. We create wonderful and sweet memories with each other. We talk for hours without running out of things to talk about. We have deep, meaningful conversations. Our relationship is overall perfect and wonderful. Things are going great between us. I am so irresistible to them. My existence makes them beg for my presence in their life. They are constantly begging to be with me. They are desperate to be with me. They need me more than the air they breathe. They seek validation from me only. I am the only person they need and want. They always put me on a pedestal. They are blindly in love with me. Making me happy is their only goal in life. They are obsessed with me. They are madly attracted to me. They are addicted to me. I never leave their mind or spirit. Their only purpose for living is to fulfill my desires and satisfy me. They want to be mine forever. We are together in a happy, healthy, and peaceful relationship. They can't function without me. They are constantly dreaming of me. They fantasize about me. They feel an unstoppable pull toward me. They text and call me nonstop. They're obsessed with everything about me. They constantly seek me. I am the air they breathe. They're constantly consumed by thoughts of me day and night. They make me their top priority. I am an enigma, and they are desperate to figure me out. I am their ultimate fantasy. Their world revolves around me. I am always the center of their attention. It is already done. Type, they want to be mine forever to affirm this meditation. And if you desire even more love, attention, and affection, let me help you by manifesting them for you. I was able to help Alicia bring love and happiness back to her life. I was able to help Rose get a love message from her specific person after months of no contact, and I can help you too. All you have to do is head to joybyjanell.com or click the link in the description box below, and you can get your specific person to love you again after being blocked and ghosted just like Renee, or get results like any one of my thousands of clients here. I hope you have a day full of love and joy, and I will see you in the next meditation.